Today we're looking at the Veger 30000mAh power bank. Before we start, if you find the video helpful, leave a like. I should also mention, make sure to check out Veger's social media accounts as they have regular giveaways. And as the saying goes, you have to be in it to win it. I will leave links in the description box down below, but without further ado, let's begin. So before we actually have a look inside the box, let's look around the box. So on the front here, as you can see, 30000mAh Veger power bank. And some specs there. So now let's take a look inside the box. So this is everything what comes inside the box. We have the welcome guide. Just have a quick look through. It comes with a Type-C charging cable for the power bank. It comes with the power bank itself, and it comes with a mesh carry case. So now let's have a look around the power bank. So on the front here, up here we have the LED display. On the side here we have the wake up button, so if I press this, it activates the LED display, as you can see. On the top we have 3 USB-A output ports, and on the side here we have a Type-C input and output port, and we have a micro USB input port. Let's talk about the power bank's output wattage. So the Type-C port input gives up to 15 watts and the output is also 15 watts. The micro USB input port gives up to 10 watts. Now the USB-A ports 1 and 2, which are the two black ones at the top here, give an output wattage of 12 watts, and the third one, which is the orange one, gives up to 15 watts. Now if all USB-C and all USB-A ports was in use, it would give a total output of 15 watts. Okay, now let's see the power bank in action. So first of all, if we turn it on, there we go, it's on. So I'm going to use a Type-C to Type-C cable in output use for this iPad here. So plug this into the bottom, and as you can see, let me just flip it around, that is charging. Now if we get the USB-A to lightning cable, plug it into the third USB-A port, and we get this iPhone here, and there you go. That is both devices on charge now at the same time. This power bank is great for uni students or travellers, or anyone who needs their devices charging and charging fast. It also has a very good battery life, as it can charge an iPhone 13 5.8 times before the power bank needs recharging. It can also charge 4 devices simultaneously. The power bank recharge time is approximately 9 hours by an 18-watt charger and adapter. Personally, I really do like this power bank, as it is suitable for my needs, as I travel and I have devices what need charging mostly all the time, and I need them charging fast. There you go, my friends. That was the Veger 30000mAh power bank. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.